So, the argument about greatness is when Jesus was with his disciples, they were arguing. They were arguing who amongst them was what? The greatest. They wanted to know who among them was the greatest. So that is the question. Actually, it was a question that arose. So Jesus answered them. Before even answering them, he told them that the world system shows that or depicts the person who's the greatest is the one who is very wealthy or is what? Famous. But no. He told them in the kingdom of God, the person who's the greatest is the person who's serving others. If you are serving others or you offer service to others, you're the greatest. So the greatest is always a servant. So here, as Christians, we are called by God to do what? To serve. You serve others because we believe that before the eyes of God, we are all what? Equal. Actually, that is only what they were being